Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is Russia's Oreshnik missile. Russian President Vladimir Putin confirmed the use of the experimental ballistic missile Oreshnik equipped with a hypersonic warhead targeting Dnipro, Ukraine. The missile strike, seen as retaliation to Ukraine's use of US-made Army tactical missile systems and UK-French Storm Shadow missiles, marks a severe escalation in the ongoing war. Now, before moving on to next slide, we have an announcement for you. Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes are now in Noida, Sector 15. Not Mukherjee Nagar. Noida is the new UPSC hub. Mukherjee Nagar nahi, chale Noida. Our address is C171/2, Block A, Sector 15, Noida, UP. Near Noida Sector 15 Metro Station. For location, click on the link provided in the description. For more information, call us at 9311 406 440. If you would like our counselors to call you back, please fill out the form provided in the description. Now moving on to key details of the Oreshnik missile. Advanced features: uses a multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicle system enabling delivery of multiple warheads to distinct locations. Designed for conventional warfare but resembles nuclear-capable systems from the Cold War era. Capabilities: high-speed, maneuverable warhead makes it difficult to intercept and represents a technological leap in Russia's missile arsenal. Deployment: Russia informed the US National Nuclear Risk Reduction Center 30 minutes before the launch as per protocol. Now let's discuss about the implications of the missile strike. Military dynamics: introduction of MIRV-equipped conventional weapons raises concerns about escalating conventional warfare into nuclear-like threats. Sets a precedent for new age missile warfare in modern conflicts. Broader risk: highlights the global ramifications of advanced missile technology in regional conflicts and risk drawing NATO and Western allies deeper into the conflict. Now is the time for practice question. What advanced technology does the Oreshnik missile use? Solid state boosters, MIRV, that is multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicle system, hypersonic cruise engines, or infrared targeting systems? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.